So you're going through inspection and you get to the self-inspect screen for the driver station app and you encounter this. Location services are listed as disabled and the Wi-Fi access point name is unknown SSID. Here's what that means and how to fix it. The short version is that your driver station device runs the Android operating system, and one of its settings is location services being enabled or disabled. We want location services to be enabled because this allows the driver station app to know what wireless network you are connected to. Fun fact, apps can try and tell where you are located in the world based on what wireless networks you connect to or are nearby you. So we want location services to be on so that we can complete inspection by checking the name of that wireless network when you connect to your robot. Luckily, this is an easy fix. Let's head out to the main settings of the driver station device, and we will go down to location, which we can see is currently off. The main toggle that we need is this one right at the top. We want to turn location services on. But while we're here, we should also double check that the FTC driver station app has permission to see our location. Here we see that I have it as allowed all the time, which is the correct setting that we want. If we find the FTC driver station app in any of these other sections, we can go ahead and tap on it and choose allow all the time to make sure that the FTC driver station app is able to see what wireless network we are connected to. Let's go ahead and head back to that app now. We can re-enter the self-inspect and see that not only are location services enabled, but we can also see the wireless access point name as well. Now that we've made this change, the app may now be able to see for the very first time that the wireless access point name is actually incorrect, which is a separate problem that we can address. For now, you're ready to continue with inspection.